Hey friend, this is me, Marissa. And that's my family. We love going on outdoor adventures together. We laugh, we play, and we're always here for each other. I couldn't imagine my family any other way. But life has surprises, and sometimes the people we love most aren't meant to stay. And in those moments, I'm thankful to have you. This is a friendly reminder that today is the perfect day to show someone you love them. And no matter where our journey takes us in this world, here we'll always be together. Thank you for helping us write the story of Hidden Haven.